Hello everyone, this is your weather on Fly Outlook and discussion for Wednesday, October 15, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 4 to 8. Valid for Saturday, October 18 through Wednesday, October 22, 2025. A large-scale mid-level trough will move through the Great Plains on Saturday, with a moist air mass in place across the Arklatex, Ozarks, and lower Mississippi Valley. Within this air mass, an area of thunderstorms is likely to be ongoing at the start of the period across parts of eastern Oklahoma and southwest Missouri. Ahead of this convection, moisture advection and surface heating will contribute to a moderately unstable air mass by midday, with forecasts increasing instability to around 1,500 joules per kilogram across the Arklatex. Thunderstorm development appears likely in the early afternoon over much of the Ozarks, where moderate deep layer shear is forecast. The Euro is forecasting deep layer shear in the 40 to 50 knot range over this part of the moist sector, suggesting a severe threat will be probable during the afternoon. Wind damage will be possible with bowing line segments, and low-level shear should be sufficient for tornadoes. Hail will also be possible, mainly if supercells can develop. Storm mode still remains uncertain. If the mode goes linear early in the event, the wind damage threat could become dominant. The severe threat should persist through the evening and into the overnight period, as a mesoscale convective system moves through the central Gulf Coast states. The mid-level trough is forecast to move through the Ohio and Tennessee valleys on Sunday, and to the Atlantic seaboard on Monday. Ahead of the trough, scattered thunderstorms with an isolated severe threat will be possible Sunday and Sunday night, with much of the convection moving offshore into the Atlantic relatively early on Monday. An isolated severe threat would still be possible closer to the mid-level low in parts of the mid-Atlantic Monday afternoon. From Tuesday into Wednesday, a mid-level low is forecast to move across the southwestern U.S., reaching the southern Rockies by Wednesday night. If the models are relatively close on the system timing, an isolated severe threat could develop ahead of the system Wednesday night across the southern plains. However, uncertainty at this range is substantial. Be sure to share, like and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.